Summertime's right around the corner, and I got this dual car fan. So this thing is pretty sweet. It blows air from both sides, and you put this on the headrest. So the headrest, it just goes right there. It's adjustable for different sizes, and it comes with the power cable. So let's go ahead and plug this in, and I'll show you how it works. So here's the fan. I installed it in my headrest on the driver's side. So the cool thing about it is it blows fan this way. So my daughter gets hot, so I have the car seat. So and it has 3 speeds, so you could adjust the speed, and the same thing on the other side. So you don't get air behind your neck and you get really sweaty in the summer when you're driving. You know, the AC can only do so much. The power cord and the other on off button is on this side. So I ran the cord, I ran it pretty clean right here, ran it down, and I have this little pad right here, so I just put it under and plugged it in. The cool thing about this, you could put it in any headrest. So I could put it on the passenger side right here, and I got a USB right here. These cars have USBs everywhere. You could put them in the back seat. I have 3 rows. I have USBs over here on the side. So anywhere I could put it, it blows air front and back. Anywhere in your vehicle you could put it. You get that extra breeze behind your neck, so your neck won't get all sweaty in the summertime. Highly recommend this bad boy. And you could move it up and down. You just can't move it left and right. So up and down, so it could hit you wherever you want the air to hit you. Really awesome.